Guys, so today we will know something about this tiny yet magnificent coronavirus and its effects as it sweeps its way into our lung bronchioles. This virus, like any other virus, has an RNA genome and is there outside the human body. It multiplies and grows inside the human body under its appropriate conditions. So, the origin of the virus is from the Wuhan city, which is in China. The basic mode of transmission of the COVID 19 is very rapid because it is a respiratory disease. It spreads by close contact. So, here in the second image, we see a COVID positive patient sneezing. The sneeze of this patient contains not only mucus but also these white droplets of coronavirus. Any person in the close vicinity of 1 to 1.5 meters to this patient can inhale these droplets. The first image shows you the actual image of the coronavirus, which has spikes on its body. These red colored spikes help it to anchor to the receptors present in our lung airways. Eating food containing this virus will not develop this disease because of the HCl secretions in our stomach, which kills the virus. Okay. So second is the symptoms. Any person who develops a coronavirus or who develops COVID-19 can show these basic symptoms that can help you to get aware. First is the common flu. Second, the cold, cough and fever. But any person just developing cold, cough, fever cannot be diagnosed as COVID positive. In 80 to 85% cases, so we need to have a test, COVID-19 test of that patient. In 80 to 85% cases, just mild symptoms develop because of the strong immunity of the people. However, in 10 to 15% cases, the complications may severe because the immunity of the person might be low due to the development of the other medical conditions like diabetes, atherosclerosis, high BP, etc. And commonly it has been observed nowadays in middle-aged and old-aged people. Next is the treatment. As everyone knows, COVID-19 vaccine has yet not been developed and is still under progress. So there are some basics that we can do as a responsible citizen of self-isolation for at least 2 weeks or 14 days. And generally patients with mild symptoms, they are advised home quarantine because to give justice to those patients who have mild or high symptoms. So just home quarantine will help to strengthen your immunity and thus fight yourselves against this virus. Anti-inflammatory medicines are given because your body is fighting against the virus. So you might develop inflammations, antiviral medicines to kill the virus, and also anticoagulants. Anticoagulants are helping in the thickening of the blood. As you can see in the capillaries, sometimes in case of the COVID cases, the blood is thickened. So to thin that blood for the easy passage of blood in the capillaries and in the blood vessels, anticoagulants are also given. So some of the suggestions would be of self-isolation as now the unlock has started. So it is very important to self-isolate you, to not go outside if it is not that required. And obviously wearing a surgical masks. Nowadays there are some valve masks as well available, but these masks are not helping you to prevent coronavirus. So either surgical mask or N95 masks are advised, but the N95 masks are for the healthcare people who are in close contact with the COVID patients. Then avoiding crowded places and gatherings. Then maintaining hygiene by sanitizing your hands or maybe washing your hands regularly with soap, and also drinking hot water, which might as well kill the virus when it is in the throat in the initial days. So thank you. Just maintain hygiene and just spread this message to all so that we can fight against this tiny virus which has brought lot of changes in the entire world. Thank you.